Well, folks, thanks for joining in with me again today. I have an absolute doozy of a video to share with you. It's a rare thing to find good historical research when evaluating their own sources among those in the churches of Christ. Today, I have found a rather interesting article going way back till 1975 from the Truth magazine, of all places. Definitely not something that is considered anti Church of Christ by any means. So I would like to read this article and share with you some of the more honest moments within Church of Christ apologetics. Share our screen here. This article is called Baptist Church, Not the Church of Christ by Thomas G. O'Neill from Bessemer, Alabama, from the Truth magazine. Short article. Several months ago, the following short article appeared in several church bulletins. Pre-Campbell Christianity. Quote, in a recent article, this interesting quotation appeared as a documentary research of Dr. Robertson, principal of Overdale College of Birmingham, England. In the Furness district of Lancashire in northwest England, there existed in 1669, during the reign of Charles II, a group of churches of Christ. Most of them are not now in existence. An old minute book has been found on the year 1669, and it shows that they called themselves by the name of Church of Christ, practiced baptism by immersion, celebrated the Lord's Supper each Lord's Day, and had elders and deacons. There was also a Church of Christ in Dungannon, Ireland in 1904, in Allington, Lancashire. In 1735, John Davis, a young preacher in the Fife district of Scotland, was preaching New Testament Christianity 25 years before Thomas Campbell, Alexander Campbell's father, was born. Wanting to check the correctness of the information, I wrote Dr. Robertson on November the 20th, 1973, quoted the above article, and asked him, is this correct? Could you give me any more documentation on this? Any additional information that you could supply to me would be very much appreciated. I have a letter written by Mr. David M. Thompson, Fitzwilliam College, Cambridge, CB3 ODG, dated April 15th, 1975, which is self-explanatory. Dear Mr. O'Neill, your letter of the 20th of November 1973 was addressed to the late Dr. William Robertson. He died in 1963. Has found its way eventually to me as Secretary of the Churches of Christ Historical Committee in Britain. I can give you some help on your quotation, though not much. The churches in the Furness district of Lancashire were, in fact, get this, Baptist churches. It was common for dissenting churches to use the titles of Church of Christ to describe themselves, though I don't think Dr. Robinson realized this. I cannot tell you very much about the churches in Dungan and Allington and John Davis, but I think the main point Dr. Robertson was wishing to make was that the call for a return to New Testament Christianity did not begin with Thomas and Alexander Campbell, nor has it been found only among churches of Christ. I suspect that this is as true in America as it is here. I cannot help you further at present, though I am expecting to publish a history of the British Churches of Christ soon, which may be of interest to you. From the Truth magazine, volume 19, 48, page 764, October the 16th, 1975. So this article cites something that goes around quite a bit, even still to this day, among literature from those of the Church of Christ, and they point out simply as a matter of historical record, these distinctives were not common and unique to Thomas and Alexander Campbell. They predated him, but they were properly considered Baptist churches, not the Church of Christ. Hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. Have a good day.